That's the wrong cylinder, Jim.
Huh? That's the one you
I'm
said.
kidding. I don't need that chip.
I ain't putting them pins back in.
More time working on this thing than actually running it.
Well, hopefully it'll all pan out. I don't know how bad this is going to come out.
Yeah, that shit's only like $79 or $80 or 2 gallons. Shit.
Not too shabby.
Make some money somehow on this.
Got almost all the way out.
What about twist back and forth?
Now. This is gonna.
The term is literally fear of the unknown. And if you don't know how to do something, it might seem fearful or it might seem hard to do or whatever, but the more you do something, the easier it becomes. From the first cylinder to the second cylinder to the third cylinder, Jim and I have learned a step or two. For instance, this time Jim left the cylinder on the machine on one side. Why take them both off when you don't have to? There. Also, we learned is there's a tool with pins in it. We don't have them. We're not going to go buy them. Well, that works just as good. If you can get it on there, and it's all lefty loosey, righty tighty. There's no reverse threads anywhere. Loosen it off and pull the cylinder straight out. And that's the hard part because some of the seals are good and they're catching in there. And come along, that works good too. Or pulling it straight out, or twisting, turning, whatever. Get it straight, pulling out. The bolt on the end. Boy, that's feels like it's 100 and some pounds of pressure on there. It feels like if you're Jim bent a couple bars trying to get that bolt off. Just when you think, oh crap, is it reverse threads? It's not reverse threads. Nothing's reverse threads here. It's actually really simple. The only one other thing we did was Jim did was one of this I'll show a picture here. That center plastic sleeve in the new crappy pack we bought doesn't fit right, so we reused the plastic that goes over top of the gasket. Everything works fine. Everything's great. It's easy peasy. Tackle this yourself, save you a bunch of money. I don't know how much they charge to rebuild cylinders, but we're paying $20 to $25 for a pack off the internet. So far, it's all easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. That's it. Go build something and share it.